Alright, so quickly today I will show you how you can create animation with your editing app. The app I use in editing this is InShot. So I will show you how you can create animation like this and more with InShot. So if you are using CapCut, you can use it as well, but since I prefer using InShot, I will explain how you can use InShot to do this. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing you go to do is you get your InShot editing app. Then you select the picture you want to use. Alright, so this picture will be like a background. You can download that picture or any picture from Pixlumen, or you ask ChatGPT to create a picture for you. So then from there you select the size you want. Alright, so let me use size of TikTok. That is 9 by 16. If you want it in landscape, it will be 16 by 9. So you have something like this. So this is your picture already. You can come up with any kind of picture you want. It's just being creative. Then you go to sticker. In your InShot, you will see sticker. Now once you click sticker, you see different kind of sticker there that you can use. So you select any one of your choice. So here is me selecting Ronnie. So if you want a talking avatar, you can select it. Just type talking in your sticker. So it will create a kind of continuous animation that you can use. Alright, so let me make use of them in this narrow parts now. So let me make use of these two sticker. You can see the other guy is running. So you stop here, but you now extend it since we want to use for the entire video. Alright, so you reduce the size because if you are running towards somebody, as you are running, you'll be looking bigger. So let me place the two of them by each other. And now extending the duration of the video so that while they are running, I'll be bringing them up. Now you can see. So as they are coming, I'm bolding it, increasing them in size. So you can just use your hand to control it. So now this shows that as that guy is running and is coming, it's increasing in size. So when you see somebody from far, the person will not be as big as when the person is close. So you can see. So here is the person. Now it looks so real. So this is animation without AI. You're not using AI for this, just your editing video. So you can use it to play around and come up with your own idea. So let me start with the second person as well. Alright, so you click on that arrow that look like funnel to stick your editing. Alright, so as the guy is coming, I'm increasing the guy's size and just increasing the size so that as it's getting closer to the camera, person is looking big. You can see the two of them like a competition. Alright, but if this looks like it's not properly arranged, you can put each other at okay, let this first one finish his race before the other person began his one. And see the way I move it. So all these are simple editing that you can do with your phone. You can use it to play around, and it's too long, you can increase the duration or reduce it. Now here's the guy running and you have a lot of animation you can use, so it's not a must use this. I'm just using this for tutorial purpose. See the guys, this other person is coming, and if I want it to still come closer to the camera, I can increase it. You can see, so it shows that when the person was closer to the camera, this is what really happened. Okay, so you can see. Right, so this looks so nice. So this is just how to do it. And it's been creative, so you can just come up with your own idea and see what you can do with it. So you now export your video, and You can use any size, and this is how your final video looks like. You can see. This is just for tutorial purpose. If I'm doing a video, it will be more better than this, but I just use this to explain this. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. Thank you.